Hello everyone, Raajan Sir here. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important interview questions for freshers. Can you explain your project? Many candidates know their project very well, but they fail to explain it clearly. They either give too many technical details, speak without structure, or say, "We did this project as a team," without explaining their personal contribution. In this video, I will give you a simple structure to explain any academic, internship, or personal project confidently. Use this 5-step structure: problem, solution, technology, contribution, and result. Let us understand each step. Step 1. Explain the problem. Start by explaining why the project was created. What problem were you trying to solve? Keep this part simple. Do not begin immediately with programming languages, tools, or technical terms. For example, our project was created to help small shops manage their stock and identify products that need to be reordered. This tells the interviewer the purpose of the project. Your first job is to make the interviewer understand the problem clearly. Step 2. Explain the solution. Next, explain what your project does. Describe the main idea in 2 or 3 sentences. Do not explain every screen and every feature. Mention only the features that are important. For example, we developed an inventory management application where the shop owner can add products, update stock, track sales, and receive a low stock alert. Remember, the interviewer wants to understand your thinking, not listen to your complete project documentation. Step 3. Mention the technology. After explaining the solution, mention the technologies and tools you used. Do not simply list 10 technologies. Mention the main tools and explain why you used them. For example, we used Java for the application logic, MySQL for the database, and HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the user interface. You can say, "We selected MySQL because the project required structured storage for product and sales information." This shows that you understand the technology choice. Step 4. Explain your contribution. This is the most important part. A team project is acceptable, but your individual contribution must be clear. Do not say, "We all work together." Be prepared to explain one challenge you faced. You can say, "My responsibility was designing the database, developing the stock update feature, and testing the low stock notification." For example, one challenge was preventing incorrect stock values after a product was sold. I solved this by validating the quantity before updating the database. This shows problem-solving ability. Step 5. Explain the result. Finally, explain the outcome of the project. Mention what the project achieved, whether it was tested, and what you learned. You can also mention what you would improve in the future. For example, the application successfully tracked product quantities and generated low stock alerts. Through this project, I improved my database knowledge, debugging skills, and understanding of application development. This shows learning attitude and future thinking. Now, let us combine all 5 steps into one complete answer. My project was an inventory management system for small shops. The problem we identified was that many shop owners manually tracked stock. The project worked successfully and it helped me improve my programming, database, and problem-solving skills. This answer is structured, clear, and professional. Now, let us discuss 3 mistakes you should avoid. Mistake number 1, giving only a one-line answer. Mistake number 2, explaining only technical details. Mistake number 3, not knowing your own contribution. Mistake number 1, do not say, "My project was an attendance system." That answer is incomplete. Mistake number 2, the interviewer may not understand if you immediately use complex technical terms. Mistake number 3, be prepared to explain your module, challenges, decisions, and learning. The interviewer may ask follow-up questions, so revise your project before the interview. Prepare answers for why did you choose this project? What was your role? What challenge did you face? Why this technology? And what would you improve? Practice your answer and keep the first explanation between 1 and 2 minutes. Give more details only when the interviewer asks follow-up questions. Remember the structure. problem, solution, technology, contribution, and result. If this video was useful, like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interview preparation, resume, LinkedIn, and job search videos. Follow Raajan Sir and prepare confidently for your next interview.